Spencer J. Fox.
Spencer J. Fox,
Traveling Detective
traveling detective,
is now traveling to...
Mommy? Yes, I will talk to Spencer about it. I will take you there. Now, what? He's coming, okay? He's coming. Hey, Miss Lux, how you doing? Hey, it's great seeing you. Listen, Murray's got a big assignment for me this week I want to see. I can't wait to hear about it. Do you know anything about it? Really? Listen, I gotta ask you a question. What's going on with Aunt Zelda? I mean, she's been on the phone with him for hours. I couldn't get through. What's happening? Really? Okay, let me get in there and maybe go find out what's happening, alright? Hey, it was great seeing you again, Miss Lots, alright? Talk to you later. Mommy, I told you, I have to let Spencer check it out. It's going to be a long trip there. I know, okay? He's going to bring back pictures and pics, okay? Now, I gotta go. I understand. I love you, Mommy. I love you, I'll get right back to you, okay? Spencer's coming, okay? Okay? Bye. Murray, how's it going, Murray? Yeah. Oh, Spencer, hi. Murray, what are you wearing today? I gotta tell you, there's never been a dull moment with you. What do you think, huh? How you like my new fall outfit? Huh? You like it? The white hat and the white tie, huh? It's wonderful, Murray. Tell me, what is going on with your mother? She's kept you on the phone for a long time today. Spencer, I have your new assignment. Mommy really wants to go to this place. It's in Georgia, in Atlanta. It's called the Atlanta History Center. It has a lot to see there. Here it has a great museum, and it has a Civil War museum and old homes. She really wants you to go check it out, okay? Sure, Murray. Let me go check it out for you. Mommy, I told you, Spencer's very, very busy. Okay, I know, he's been gone a week because he has to check it out. Okay, I know, Mommy. He'll be here. He'll be here soon. Okay, listen, I will talk to you later. Spencer's coming. In fact, he's coming over here right now. Oh, Murray. Okay, Mommy, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye, okay? Okay, I'll let you know. Spencer, Mommy's driving me crazy. I can't take it. What did you find out? This Atlantic History Center is huge. It's really big. There's so many things to see. Unbelievable. It took me over a week to see it. Really, Spencer? I want to know everything about it. Tell me everything that you saw there. Mommy wants to know. Let's start with the entrance of the museum, then I'll take you to the rest of it to see it, okay? It'll take a while to go through everything. I take a lot of pics and videos so you can see it. You taking a lot of pics and footage there? Lots of videos? Good, 'cause Mommy wanted to see that. I want to see all of it. Yes, Murray, I did. But please now, pay attention to what I need to have to show you, okay? Because the museum starts off with a Civil War Cyclorama. And then it has all these historic houses to see. Then on top of it has a very famous house called the Swan House. But let's first start with the entrance of the museum. Okay, Mary, here we are at the entrance of the museum. There's a lot to see here. Okay, now you see right here there's some mannequins and rooms that are showing different types of history, how they used to live. There's also different types of clothes, and also you see different old-time restaurants and diners and way people used to live and how they shopped. And look right over here, there's even some space objects from outer space, different ships. Wow, Spencer, there's a lot to see here. I can't believe it. A lot of variety. I can't wait to see the rest of it. Okay, Murray, over here is the Civil War Cyclorama. It's a round room that displays all different types of things that shows the battle in Atlanta in the Civil War. You'll see a lot of figurines and films and different talks. It's very, very dramatic. Wow, Spencer, look at that. There's a lot of fighting and fire going on. Oh yeah, Murray, take a look at it.
We restore those back animations and photographic evidence we have in the original completion, and some of the artist's original sketches prior to completion to restore all of that back to its 1886 form. Now the last thing I'll talk about with his hat in his hand, and he's one of the largest figures we see depicted. He becomes the most popular figure man, and when in office was popular when wearing his veteran.
Okay, Murray, this is called the Smith Farm. It was a slavery farm that was built in the 1840s. Shows how the slaves have lived then. Shows the houses, shows the barns, livestock, how they farmed, and there's a lot of different talks on there too. A lot of history is showing about the slavery then. Wow, Spencer, a lot of history. I'm gonna have to take a look at this, all this. That's right, Murray, take a look at it. Okay, Murray, here's the last exhibit. It's called the Swan House. It was built by a large, wealthy cotton broker. His name was Edward Inman, and he built it with his wife, Emily, in 1924. The building is full of wonderful relics and beautiful old furniture. It's a beautiful house. You'll need to see the tour of it. Okay, Spencer, I'll take a look at it. So far, it looks like a really beautiful home. Spencer J. Fox. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Now, if you have a few moments and a few minutes, go to my cyber mall. The Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall. It has lots of different types of things to buy there, lots of different departments and different stores. You really can't find on the internet very much. Very unusual stores. It has stores for different types of clothing, for women and men, perfume, shoes, even different restaurants and food. Also, you get discounts on airline tickets and also to resorts. So go on the page that I have. Here's the URL. Go on there. Has a drop-down menu, has a categories of different stores that go on there. So go ahead, take a look. Go shopping at the Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall.